Redefining the links for water supply. Water. Pros and cons. Pros. Bottled water contains carbonates, sulfates, and other important minerals that are required to perform bodily functions. Cons. Plastic bottles pollute the environment. Plastic bottles, even BPA free, leach chemicals into your body, water. Packaged water isn't necessarily cleaner than the tap water, even though it is much more expensive. Effects on human health. Bottled water may contain harmful phthalates, which are linked to an increased risk of cancer. Individuals who drink bottled water are prone to various cancers and cardiovascular diseases. Effects on environment. The entire life of bottled water uses fossil fuels, contributes to global warming, and causes pollution. 80% of all plastic bottles end up in landfills. It takes 1,000 years for one bottle to decompose. Production of water bottles require more than 17 million barrels of oil each year. Water contamination. Types of contamination. Non-point source. Contamination derived from diffuse sources is called non-point source. Point source. Contamination originating from a single source is called point source. Main causes. Sewage and wastewater. More than 80% of the worldwide wastewater goes back in the environment without being treated or reused. Marine dumping. Every day, garbage such as plastic, paper, aluminium, food, glass, or rubber are deposited into the sea. These items take weeks or hundreds of years to decompose, and thus they are a major cause. Industries. A huge amount of industrial waste is drained in the fresh water, which then flows in canals, rivers, eventually in the sea. Agriculture. Agriculture has an impact on water due to the use of chemicals such as fertilizers, pesticides, etc., running off in the water. Effects on humans. Water pollution causes ingestion of various toxic chemicals in the human body, causing fertile conditions and diseases. On environment, water pollution results in microbial pollution, eutrophication, acid rain, and damage to the biosphere. Techniques. Wastewater treatment, green agriculture, stormwater management, air pollution prevention, plastic waste reduction, and water conservation. Water supply problems in Aurangabad. Challenges: bulk water, shortage of water. Present drinking demand is 182 million liters per day. 156 million liters per day of water is pumped and only 136 reaches the reservoir at Nakshatrawadi. Old pumping machinery. Old system was installed in 1974 and the newer in 1991, and huge energy consumption have been seen. Heavy energy cost. Main challenges: uneven terrain, lack of pressure management to cope with the level difference, old galvanized and non-metallic pipes, easily tampered with, and inefficient water supply, high non-revenue water, numerous leakage points resulting in high non-revenue water. Contamination due to intermittent supply. Water is contaminated in non-supply hours. Supply hours. Residents only get water for 45 minutes, once in 2 days. Large number of valves. Large number of valves required staff to operate. Improper operation zones. Pipelines are laid in a haphazard manner, thus causing residents to get less water with less pressure. Used coping costs. Rupees 5,000 per annum is spent to buy plastic overhead tanks, booster pumps, tankers, and small purification devices. Status. It is observed that extent of metering is nil in the city. Level of non-revenue water is quite high and water supply continuity is extremely low. Case study Nahar Amri construction method. Nahar Amri is a water purification system which has benefited the residents of Aurangabad for 350 years. Water flows down a slope of length for more than 4 kilometers. This system consists of collection of groundwater from underground spring flowing down the Joban Hills towards the Sangri River. The underground channel is constructed deep into the ground with rectangular structures with arched roof constructed 15 to 20 meters below the ground. The water is then distributed in the city through buried terracotta pipes. Though it is an efficient natural purification system, it also has its cons. Advantages. Flow advantages. Channel runs parallel to Sangvi River. Bed of Nahar is kept below the river bed for the subsurface flow of river. Pressure release, cleansing and maintenance arrangement. 100 rectangular, sometimes circular, hollow shafts or air vents in the form of manholes are provided on the Nahar, used for cleaning of canal and releasing air pressure developed in the pipe. Filtration of water. The subsurface water gets filtered through the subsoil media. Clear water enters into the tunnel. Problems. The discharge of the Nahar is reduced to large extent. Some of the reasons are number of farmers in the vicinity of the Nahar is lifting the groundwater with the help of electric pump set. Quantity of subsurface water percolation into the Nahar is thus reduced. The subsurface of Sangvi River is reduced due to exploitation of groundwater, removal sand layers, thus underground storage is reduced. Silt and debris are accumulated in the Nahar. Roots of trees are entering in the Nahar, causing obstruction to the flow. Lifting water directly from the Nahar reduces the further flow.